Today, we will learn how to ask the question, "What do you do?" The proper English way of asking about someone's job is to ask, "What is your job?" But this sounds really awkward in a casual conversation. So instead, we ask the question, "What do you do?" to make the question less formal. Let's compare a similar question. What are you doing? I'm teaching you English through this video. What do you do? I'm an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. Can you spot the difference? Both of these questions sound very similar, but in fact, they both have different meanings. Question number one, what are you doing? And question number two, what do you do? The first question is asking what you are doing right now, this minute. You answer this question using an ing verb. What are you doing? I'm reading. I'm watching TV. While the second question is actually a short version of the question, what do you do for a living? This is how we ask, what is your job in natural English? When native speakers of English ask this question, it can come out very fast and sound more like what you do. In order to tell it apart from what are you doing, just listen for the ing sound at the end of the question. If it's not there, then you're being asked what your job is. So, how do you answer this question? Just think of it as if the other person is asking you, what is your job? You can answer with I am plus your job title. For example, I am a teacher. I am an engineer. I'm a doctor. You can also mention the place that you work at, starting with I work at. For example, I work at a hospital. I work at a law firm. I work for a bank. I work for a TV channel. Here's a tip for you all. When you ask the question, what do you do? And the other person tells you their job, it's polite to make some kind of positive comment about his or her job. For example, how interesting, or that must be exciting, or even, oh really? Remember to sound sincere. Now, let's take a look at what we have learned in the form of role play. Hello, Sam.
Hi, Zara.
How are you?
I'm fine. You tell, how's it going?
Not bad. What do you do, Sam?
I'm a Class 6 student at Future Ace School.
How nice! I have a friend who also goes to this school.
What about you, Zara?
I'm a class 5 student at Government High School.
Oh, that's great to hear. So, what's your favorite subject?
I really enjoy biology. The study of human life really intrigues me. What about you?
I'm not a biologist, unfortunately. I love mathematics. It's one of the subjects I excel at school.
Let's revise some of the concepts that came up during the role play. Excel. It means to do really well. Intrigues. It means interest. In our next lesson, we will cover how to ask someone about their hobbies. See you in our next class.